Good afternoon, everybody. Hopefully you guys not sleeping, after not falling to sleep, especially those come from Europe, getting on late. So welcome to Miami. Like Kevin said, hopefully you guys get a chance to walk around and be able to enjoy Miami a little bit more. So anyway, so I want to talk about three things, and as you guys know, my memory is only buffer size is 3, so. First, let's talk about the accomplishment. Well, there's one we're going to talk a little bit about it, I think, because Andrew already covered it. So really, the first one was really talking about the first is the industry. We delivered the standards of SASE and Zero Trust. It's actually pretty amazing. It's another example. MEF is leading the industry, in this case, for enterprise and in security. So we see they continue evolve at that. What we really developed is what customers are looking for, the enterprise customer are looking for. So secure, managed, cloud-based SASE, plus clear definition, which is, we all know how important that is and through the carrier Ethernet days. And last but not least, we're incubating potentially kind of groundbreaking service certification for SASE. So somewhat different than what we used to know. This is going to be a really good. It's going to take a little bit of time for us to get there, but we feel that is necessary for the industry to move forward. So we're really excited about that. The second one, I now got it now. Okay, so is focusing on execution. As you guys know, we talked a little bit about the overall adoption. So the adoption primarily has been incredible for Sonata APIs. There are over 100 companies, and to be exact, there are 5 companies that we're tracking, and up 120% since last year. And also, there are 20 companies already in production, and we're tracking about 60 to 70 companies in a year and a half. We'll have them in production as well. So it's really exciting to see the adoption of that. Now we're really focusing on delivering the capability of operational APIs and also additional payloads, which I want to show this. So this is what illustrated here in white, if you guys can tell, it can differentiate, is the one we already delivered. And as mentioned earlier, we're working on the operational and the payload APIs. And what we're really trying to do is truly deliver cloud-like customer experience, real-time, dynamic capabilities, and automated ecosystems that we're building around MEF members. So it's really important. And the next step is really delivering those operational APIs as well as the new payloads, which you'll hear more from Pascal later today. And then also, we have service provider panels later today as well. You hear from there. And tomorrow we have LSO partner conference. You'll definitely hear more about the adoption APIs. So we're really excited about that. So next is more opportunity for us, more opportunity to get involved in MEF work. So MEF member has changed quite a bit due to our work for LSO. Automation, cybersecurity, as well as the cloud, blockchains as well. So we continue adding the global service providers, around the world, but also we're tracking some of the new members, technology solution providers, which has related to our new work we've been doing. So really excited. We've been this week we clearly wanted to engage and communicate with our members from LATAM and also North America. And last week, Kevin and team in Europe really engaging our members in Europe at the Capacity Europe. And next couple of weeks, we also heading to Africa as well as Middle East to really engage our members there as well. So really exciting to see the membership growth, and especially the makeup of the membership continue to evolve, which is a really good thing for us as an indication of the new growth point for us as a member community. So this technology advisory board really reflecting the expanded relevancy of our work, and clearly they've been contributing significantly in an area which we typically, well, in the past didn't have the expertise. Now we really do, adding on top of it. So I'm really pleased to see this type of caliber of people who join in MEF and to really help us move things forward. And we're excited to work with them. And we just had a productive meeting this morning between MEF board of directors and TAB. So the development of such results in continued improvement or continued direction that MEF is looking for, and the guidance from the team invaluable. So next we're talking a little bit about the opportunities here that we can really driving the awareness. Given the the new approval standard, the SASE as well as the Zero Trust, we're preparing a marketing and as well as the PR launch and to generate awareness. So what I would encourage all of you to do is going back and download those specs and perhaps get involved in company to implementing these standards. Secondly, we want to drive the cantata adoption, which is providing the business functions, as you all know, between the service providers and enterprise. So it's really a key thing, for us to move things forward here. Last and not least, we are working something really, kind of a grander vision of how MEF will contributing or helping industry to developing a blueprint, so potentially to deliver new services, just like we did with the carrier Ethernet, and this combination of SD-WAN and SASE together with potentially baselines, so allow the service provider to implementing them to be able to deliver that services across the globe in the automated ecosystems of which we build with our members. So it's a really exciting area, which we call it the secure network as a service for enterprise, short be SNASE. I thought I'd really like that name. So we, Pascal is going to talk about that in a bit, but also we planning to potentially launch this in 2023. So this timing is TBD, but it's a really exciting area, which I think we can take a leadership position in the industry to really help industry, shape the industry the way where it's going, really helping our members to deliver that services end to end. Well, let's, without these editors, we're not going to be able to do what I've done. So these are the 6 editors who has, really contribute significantly, by editing these important documents of which we becoming a MEF standards. So I wanted to say a big thanks for representing the membership to those who actually contribute. I'm not sure who is actually in the audience. I think Manfred may be here. John, Ralph, Neil, Mehmet, Mike, they're all, not new to the membership. So, let's have a round of applause for these guys. Yeah, really thank you so much, guys. And this is awesome work you guys have done. Let's get engaged. And, I really do feel like we want to encourage you to get engaged somehow with MEF. There's 3 things you can do. One is, check out the new SD-CECP certification, professional certification. If you haven't done it, please do that. Hopefully people who are sitting here with a technical background should considering, becoming part of that community of certified professionals. Second, please introduce the MEF work to one of your colleagues, when you get home. And in that way, you have the word start to propagate within your organization. Last and not least is contributing to the thought leadership, which potentially you could write a blog or talk to somebody and really get a buzz going. So we obviously, under leadership of Lisa, we're really doing a lot of things on the marketing front, on the big stage. But I think individual contributing from marketing front was going to be really helpful as grassroots capabilities, and then we can generate within this community. Don't underestimate your own influence, because the community itself, it really runs well when everybody is doing it. So with that, well, thank you very much. Enjoy the meeting. Hopefully we'll have a private meeting here. Thank you.